Hey guys, welcome to our old runaround Cherokee. Needs a heater core, so the first step in putting a heater core in one of these things is to get the seats and the dash out. But as we went to take the first seat out, we knew these bolts were rusty, but we didn't know that it was that rusty. So this Jeep project just got a lot more complicated. Well guys, this is where we're up to on the Jeep project. Might start calling this old Jeep. As you can see, our driver's side footwell is in need of some work. Got a couple of rust holes here and there. Not too bad. But the main thing is this seat bracket. There are no more bolts holding the seat in at all. The passenger side looks pretty good for an old Jeep, almost 20 years old. Just a little bit of rust starting on this seat bracket and out in the middle here. We'll get that fixed up though. Otherwise, the old floor pan looks pretty good. A few little spots here and there that'll need to get done, but mainly that driver's side. What I'm thinking now is also the perfect time to deep clean the carpet and the seats. What do y'all think?